you're cutting your customer. That's not good customer service. The customer doesn't feel like you're giving them undivided attention, right? Online appointment booking will eliminate that completely. So you empower the customer. It's about customer empowerment. You empower the customer to take control of their appointment. If you don't have the patience and the time to learn internet, to learn some of the skills that we talked about today, search engine optimization, understanding metrics, understanding insights, understanding analytics, right? Understanding lead generation, how to capture leads, right? Those are skills. And skills pay the bills.